Yo, what's going on guys, this is AMX and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix audio lag in Premiere Pro and how to fix a video that has already been exported with delayed audio and video tracks.
What's your favorite color?
Alright, so there are different problems people are facing like distorted audio and other things, but in today's video I'll only be showing you how to fix the audio lag in Premiere Pro and how to also do it after it's exported. To check and see if this is your problem and not something else, you want to right click on your clip and select properties, where you'll be able to see it saying variable frame rate detected, which means your video isn't stable. It doesn't always show that, but it's good to check. The easiest fix you definitely need to try, that's in Premiere app, is to simply render your video. To do this, you want to go to the top left corner and press on sequence. In there, just select render in to out, which should solve this. Even though it might happen again, it's a great quick fix. If you have already exported the video and don't know what to do since it's already edited, or the easy way doesn't work, you want to use an app called Handbrake, which will allow you to convert your glitch video into a different file type without variable frame rates. After you have done exporting it, you'll see everything be fixed.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
I love getting the whole family together and making them out.
I personally use and recommend the first one, which is exporting while editing, which doesn't require that much work. If this video has helped you in any way, or you just like the info, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because it really helps me out a lot. With that being said, this is MX and I hope you got everything fixed. Peace.